Yoshi, I need that waffle back!
Mamma mia! This is chaos! Sorry about him!
Wow, he's too fast! Fizzy Fun House! Yoshi, we made all that yummy food for Mother's Day! Mario, what are we gonna do?
Let him eat it all!
Oh, hey, Fizzy! What are we making? Well, it's too late for breakfast and too early for lunch. If only we could do brunch. That's it! A brunch! Now we just need to find all the ingredients. I think I have a fizzy solution for that. Awesome sauce! Time for some fizzy magic. Fizzy, whizzy, go fizzy fun.
Mamma mia! Fizzy's magic is awesome!
Yay, Fizzy's surprise house! But what's inside? Well, hopefully all the ingredients we need for a yummy brunch. All right, let's open it. Miss Hands, we need a hand.
Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe. Hey, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. All right, let's go ahead and see what's behind the green door. Uh-oh, I think I see something pouring out there. All right, let's find the green key. There it is. And open it up. Whoa, that's a lot of green slime. Uh-oh, it's pretty sticky. Oh no, let's get it all out there. Whoa, look at that green slime. All right, and I also saw some flour. All right, let's get that green slime off it. Whoa, that's gonna be super useful. Let's see what's behind the purple door. So let's find that purple key. There it is. Here we go. Whoa! Uh-oh! That's so much purple slime! Wow! Super sticky! And I definitely saw something else in there. All right, we've got some delicious fresh milk. My favorite! I love milk. That's gonna be super useful for our brunch. What color should we do next? How about the yellow door? All right, let's go ahead, find that yellow key. There it is. And let's see what's inside. Uh-oh, not more slime. Whoa! We've got some super sticky, gloopy yellow slime. All right. And I also saw a super yummy orange. All right. Delicious. And what's this? All right. It's a stick of butter. We're gonna need that for our brunch. Perfect. Thank you, yellow door. All right, we've got 3 doors left. Orange, red, and blue. Which door should we do next? Red. All right. Let's see what's behind the red door. Here we go. Oh no, not more slime. Whoa, that's oozing out of there. Oh my goodness, there's so much red, gloopy, sticky slime. Oh, what's this? All right, it's some purple grapes. Delicious. And I think there's something else. Whoa, there's 2 more things in here. We've got some yummy blueberries. Oh, that'll be so nice for our brunch. And it's my favorite, a red strawberry.
Awesome sauce! Strawberries are my favorite! Miss Hands, let's open the blue door!
All right, Phoebe, let's go ahead, close the red door, and find the blue key. Can you see it? There it is! All right, good work, everyone. Let's see what's behind the blue door. Oh no, not more slime, but this time it's blue, stretchy slime. All right, I love that color. Super cute. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's inside the blue door. All right, we got some sugar. That's gonna be so good for our brunch. We could make some yummy waffles. My favorite. Good choice, Phoebe.
Miss Hands! Miss Hands!
Yes, Fizzy?
We've only got 1 door left!
That's right. And what color door is it, Fizzy?
Orange!
That's right, Fizzy.
Let's see what's behind the orange door!
Good idea, Fizzy. All right, can you see the orange key? There it is. Perfect. Oh, I hope there's no more slime. Uh-oh. Oh, this one's super, sticky. Oh no, it's gone everywhere. Some super sticky, gloopy orange slime. Let's put that over here. I saw something fall out. It was 1, 2 eggs. All right, yummy eggs. That's gonna be so good for our brunch. I love eggs for brunch.
Awesome sauce! We did it!
We sure did, Phoebe.
Let's go make some brunch!
All right, come on.
What are we gonna make? Let's make some waffles!
Woohoo! My favorite!
All right! Miss Hands, what do we need first?
Well, first, we need a bowl.
Ta-da! Now what?
Good job, Phoebe. Now we need to crack an egg.
Excellent!
Then we pour in the flour, some sugar, a drop of delicious milk, and some butter.
Now what?
Now we've got a whisk.
Can I try whisking? Please, 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 please.
All right, Phoebe, here you go. Uh-oh, silly Phoebe. Don't worry, Phoebe, we'll just clean it up. Oops. There we go. Now we've just got to pour this mixture into the waffle maker. All right, let's go ahead, open it up, and pour the mixture in. All right, now we close it up, turn it up, and leave it to cook.
Awesome sauce! Is Is it done yet?
Not yet. You've gotta wait.
Alright. How about now?
Not yet, Phoebe.
Okay. What about now?
Not yet, Phoebe. You've gotta wait for it to cook.
But I'm so hungry.
It'll be ready soon, Phoebe.
Alright. Miss Hands, it's ready! Quick, look!
All right, Fizzy. Let's take a look.
They smell delicious! Let's go make something else! One more.
What would you like to make now?
I got it! A fruit smoothie!
Perfect. We just have to put the fruit into the blender one by one.
Alright!
All right, let's go ahead. Lift off the lid and put a banana in, a strawberry, some blueberries, some grapes, and some milk. Now it's time to put the blender on. Are you ready?
Wait, can I press it, please?
Of course, Phoebe. You press it. Let's take a look.
I think it needs more milk.
Good idea, Fizzy. All right, now to mix it.
It looks perfect. I'll go get the waffles. Good idea, Phoebe. Fizzy, the waffles are gone. This is a disaster. I think I know a very hungry monster who might just love a waffle. Let's go take a look. Yoshi, I need that waffle back!
Mamma mia, this is chaos. Sorry about him.
Whoa, he's too fast! Yoshi, we made that yummy food for Mother's Day! Please, Yoshi, give me back the waffle! Thank you, Yoshi! Fizzy! What is it, Phoebe? We left the blender on! This is a disaster! Oh, quick! Let's go take a look! Oh no! The smoothie's gone everywhere! That's alright, Phoebe. We'll just clean it up, then we can plate up our waffles! Alright!
Oh no, what a mess.
One delicious fruit smoothie! And a yummy waffle! The perfect brunch for sharing! But who are we gonna share it with, Fizzy? Yoshi! Is that nice, Yoshi? Yes, thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe. Happy Mother's Day, Yoshi.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody.
Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Waffles! All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.